Do you want to generate images like this? It is very easy to generate such images. Let us know how.
First, open your browser and search for bing.com. Click on Images. Click on Create. After logging with your email, you will see this page. Copy this prompt and paste here. Click on Create. And see the image preview. Simply click on Download to save your image. Let's try another sample. And see the image preview. Simply click on Download to save your image. If you're interested in more AI tutorials, subscribe to my new channel.